Hongzhou Equipment Manufacture Co. Ltd. is established in 2006. Mainly involved in research, manufacture, and marketing electrical construction tools, such as hydraulic crimping tools, hydraulic cutting tools, hydraulic pump, cable stripper, etc. Our products gain wide praises at home and abroad. With export license, we export products to Europe, America, Australia, Middle East, Africa and many Asian countries. With strong production capacity, advanced equipment, experienced staff and excellent techniques, we are capable of producing and providing quality products with competitive prices to meet customers' high demands. Based on R&D, quality as lifeline, service as basic concept, we are committed to offering excellent products and professional services through fast development and professional capability. Our company is rated as National High-Tech Enterprise and Excellent and Innovative Enterprise awarded by government, and also passed ISO 9001 Certificate of the Company and GOTS-CE Certificate of the Products. Every link including product research and development, manufacture, debugging, and technical support follows strict and scientific management principles. Continuous efforts contribute a lot to our good reputation and wide acceptance from the market. In recent years, we have established long-term and win-win cooperation with our worldwide customers. To be an international, standardized, and sustainable corporation is our consistent pursuit. We sincerely welcome customers from home and abroad to create a good business relationship in near future.